Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll talk about how to make passive income using Chat GPT to write Kindle ebooks. With this strategy, you can make an extra $150 per day or $54,000 per year in passive income without any prior skills or investment required. To make this goal a reality, we'll be breaking down the process into four main parts: selecting a topic for your ebook, writing it with AI, publishing it on Amazon Kindle, and promoting it to get initial reviews. If you're not familiar with Chat GPT, it's an amazing free AI tool that will basically write your ebook for you. Simply type in a prompt like "Write Chapter 1 of an ebook about the carnivore diet," and Chat GPT will get to work. Once that's done, just type "Write Chapter 2." I'll show you guys how to access Chat GPT and start using it for yourself in a bit, so stay tuned. Alright, let's dive in and take a closer look at each step. First, let's talk about choosing a topic. To find ideas that will make money, you can look at the Kindle bestsellers list on Amazon and see what topics are currently popular. To do this, go to Amazon and type in books, and click on bestsellers, and click on Kindle bestsellers to see a list of the best-selling books on Amazon. If you click on a book and scroll down the page, you can see its rank in the Kindle store. All books in the Kindle store are ranked against each other, so you can use this number to calculate how much it's making. For example, if it's ranked number 1 in the Kindle store, you can use the free Amazon sales rank calculator to estimate that it is making around 6,390 sales per day. While it's unlikely that you'll rank number 1, you can still aim for a spot within the top 5,000 best-selling books on Kindle. This will give you the potential to make 30 sales per day at a price of $5 per book, resulting in $150 in daily passive income. For example, if you notice that a particular diet trend is gaining popularity, you might consider writing about that topic. If it ranks inside the top 5,000 best-selling books on Kindle, you can use this as an opportunity to create a unique and high-quality book that stands out from the competition. To find out what people like and don't like about the books in your chosen category, you can research the competition and read reviews. Pay attention to any common complaints or areas where readers feel that the books are lacking. Use this information to create a product that addresses these issues and delivers a better experience for readers. Once you settle on a topic, it's time to move on to creating the ebook. This is where ChatGPT can really come in handy. If you don't have access to ChatGPT yet, all you have to do is head on over to chat.openai.com and click the Sign Up button. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to save some time. And the best part? It's completely free to sign up, no credit card required. Just make sure you have your email and phone handy, because some countries may require a text message confirmation. Unfortunately, there isn't an official app, but you can bookmark the site on your phone and it'll appear whenever you open your search engine. To write your ebook, you can use ChatGPT to assist you with the writing process. Simply type in a prompt like "Write Chapter 1 of an ebook about the carnivore diet," and ChatGPT will get to work. Once that's done, type "Write Chapter 2." ChatGPT has the ability to remember earlier conversations, so it can write chapters in a cohesive and coherent manner without repeating information. You can continue this process for each chapter, using ChatGPT to write as much or as little as you'd like. If you're looking to get a little more hands-on in your ebook writing process, I've got a great tip for you. Ask ChatGPT to give you an outline for your ebook. It's seriously the easiest thing ever, giving you a super detailed outline to follow. This takes a ton of the pain out of writing a book. It's seriously amazing. If you want to take your ebook to the next level, here's a pro tip. Include information that addresses common issues and complaints you've noticed while checking out the reviews of other books in your niche. This way, you can address any pain points your readers might have and provide a more valuable product. Or, if you want to see what's hot right now and get some inspiration for your book, type your topic into Google Trends or do a general Google search. You'll see popular search terms and questions you can include and answer in your ebook. This will help you create a book that's more in demand and relevant to your audience. For example, I'll ask it to write an outline for an ebook about the carnivore diet for beginners, but this time include those questions and trending search terms I found on Google Search and Google Trends. As you can see now, we have a much more detailed book outline that directly answers the questions of our readers. Alright, now that you've got a killer outline for your ebook, it's time to start writing. You can go chapter by chapter and ask ChatGPT to write each one, including any extra information or details you want to include. It's super convenient and takes a lot of the work out of the writing process. And when you're all done with that, it's time to get your ebook out there and start making some money. So let's take a look at how to publish your ebook on Amazon Kindle. It's possible to format an ebook for Kindle using Google Docs. Just create a new document, copy and paste in your content, and use the formatting tools. Once you're done, use the File menu to choose Download As and select EPUB as the file type. This will download a copy of your document in the common format for Kindle devices. Or if you don't want to do the formatting yourself, you can hire someone on Fiverr to do it for you for as little as $5. Then go to the Kindle Direct Publishing website and sign in with your Amazon account. Click on the Add a New Title button to create a new ebook. Just keep following the prompts, and before you know it, your book will be available to a huge global audience. Once you've finished writing your ebook, it's time to start promoting it and getting initial reviews. One way to do this is by offering your ebook for free for a limited time and promoting it on social media platforms like Facebook and Reddit. This can help attract more readers and generate initial reviews, which can in turn increase the chances of you ranking well on the Kindle bestseller list. Once you have a good number of reviews, you can switch to selling the paid version of your ebook and start making money online. This is just one of the amazing opportunities available with Chat GPT. If you'd like more examples, click on this video and check out my other content. Thanks for watching.